everyone, I'm Jenna and I'm here with your solution of the week. Our client Essilor was looking to highlight the features of their Varilux lens product, which is designed for people over the age of 40 who experience presbyopia, a near vision condition. They needed a solution that would capture the attention of hard-to-reach prescribers and also needed to ensure that their product was top of mind with their audience. Let's take a look at the Rolling Cube campaign we designed for them that achieved exactly this. Essilor wanted to provide members of their loyalty program with an incentive to review their launch information and create awareness of the program for non-active members. We developed an integrated campaign that included a high-impact Rolling Cube mailer to drive members to an online sweepstakes. The outer box that housed the Rolling Cube contained extra real estate for Essilor's graphics and messaging. Once the cube on the inside is removed from the outer box, it constantly unfolds to reveal multiple panels of information that form into various rectangle and cube-shaped messages. This interactive design is certainly one that the recipient won't want to put down and acts as a great desktop piece that prospects will want to hold on to and keep for future reference, keeping the brand top of mind. Due to the Rolling Cube mailing, Essilor received a 23.6% response rate for their sweepstakes. Of those, 9.5% were unique participants. Overall, the campaign resulted in a 31.5% response rate with an 88% conversion rate due to the integrated campaign. For more creative inspiration like this, visit us online at structuralgraphics.com. I'm Jenna, thanks so much for watching. Until next time.